Dan Carcia. What a stupid pun that is. Carcia just replacing the Garcia with the Carcia is just, wow, that is probably the worst car pun that I have ever heard in my life. Still, apart from the terrible name is, well, he just doesn't like the same. He just lacks the same character as the other Gaskets racers. Those being, was it Sage Van Spin and who's the other one? Rex Revler. That's it. I nearly forgot his name. Nearly did. Still, he lacks the red. On Sage Van Spin, he was apparent. Well, not apparent, but it was there. The red was there, definitely. But it's sad to see how boring some of the next gens look. I mean, flipped over. Yes, that's his actual name. Who's the? Oh, I think he's the Intersector. No, is that the Intersector? Is that the name? No, or is it Intersection? Is it Intersection or Intersector? I don't know. Either way, you're the pink one. Number 00. You flipped over. I actually quite like the look of him. Oh, who's the H.J. Hollis is one of my favourites as well. I mean, I do like him. M. Fast Fong is not a massive fan of him. Tim Treadless, I mean, I absolutely love. I like, seriously, I do really love his design. It's just chef's kiss. Still, back to Dan. He's the Gaskets, as I previously mentioned. He doesn't have the same charm as maybe the previous Gaskets racers. Yeah, it's just, like, again, lacks the red, lacks the character, and plus he lacks, like, the biscuit, like the actual Gaskets, biscuit. There's nowhere to be seen. Whereas on the other two, especially on the Sage Vanderspin, that biscuit was very prominent. It was like part of like the character, like the character or design, like the little talky piston, that little piston, like caricature, like like the one with the face on it. You know what I mean? Yeah, that one. Still, he's under the Tim Treadless model, which I think is the case for most, the majority of next gens. I think there's Chase Race a lot. There's Bubba Wheelhouse. There's Tim Treadless, obviously. And then of course there's a Danny Swervez model, which is who's there? M Fast Fong and who else is there? I've got Danny Swervez and Nick Shift is another example of this model. Let's have a closer look at him, shall we? Yeah, look, see what I mean by boring? By very lackluster. See, he's just a G. Very not the best, shall we say? See, look what I mean. It's just boring, absolutely boring looking. There's nothing exciting about him, or as such. But maybe that's just me being too harsh because I'm comparing him to the previous Gaskets races. I don't know. Number 80? Trust me, that's an 80. I think that's... that was the wrong way around because I'm using Microsoft Clipjump. So it inverts everything. Yeah, okay, makes sense. Because before I used, Camtasia, but, yeah. Gasket, I get rookie stripes and the number 80. Trust me, it is the number 80, not 08. That's Dale Earnhardt Jr., for God's sake. Was it yellow rookie stripes and that G? Yeah, he's just a very lackluster, character who doesn't add anything to the plot. Besides being overtaken, but... Oh, yeah, but it doesn't matter if he's getting overtaken. I mean, if he wins the race, and that's fine. I'm happy with that. So, can't really complain if he does win the race. But either way, even if he does win races or not, have a great day, folks.